So another unboxing here. Right now we have next box down. We still have one more to go inside of there. We go up a little bit. Could we bend down a little bit? This camera stand I feel need to also upgrade. Camera stand don't have as much as just adjustments and stuff as I would like. But as you can see here on the box, they're showing you MIG-TIG and some kind of plasma stuff and showing you here. So I don't know why the company decided to put it in a box like this, welding torch box and stuff. But that is not what in the package. This is something totally different. So it have different grids of sandpaper here. 180 and 80. Does have some different clips and stuff there. Metal clips to organize the plastic welding. Does have a different type here as well. Kind of S-type one. Kind of that weird looking one there. They're so soft that they're kind of bending up and stuff inside of here. Hopefully the manual we can get to see exactly which one is which one there. Another kind of S-type one there, so that could be more than one in the packs that we get in. And one looking like a kind of U. You also get some plastics here, so you can melt to help with whatever plastic type you're using. So it's the PE, PP, PVC, look like HDPE, next PP again, and an ABS there. So a different type of plastic you could use for different type of material. And this is the case right here. So in the case, they're showing you the different types there. So we have it upside down there, it looks like. Showing you some of the different bends and how it could be used. So this one, the S, here they're showing you that for more flat surfaces you could use it on. And this one here, you could use on more angle surfaces to go into angles like 90 degrees. And this one as well, you could use in 90 degrees as well too. As you can see, this one actually going in between like a M, and this one more like a V something shape for a different angle. And you could use these S types again on flat surfaces and things there. So they're showing you different things it could be used on. Stand chairs, fans, scissors, bumpers, some instructions and stuff there, and the gun, the welding gun. So in the case comes with some mesh, some steel mesh, so you could put in the steel mesh for extra strength. It have the heat tape. This is so that heat wouldn't transfer onto the surface below. You could stick this on the plastic underneath, and you could do the welding on top to help protect the stuff underneath. Soldering iron here to help solder anything you need to solder with, bore a hole or something. It does have the other heads for it somewhere about. You'll find it just now. So soldering iron pad there, flathead, Phillip head. This is the iron part for it. This is how we're going to the soldering iron here. If you want to flatten out like the mesh or something there, you take out this one there by taking out this screw, push this one in, and this one you could pass on the flat surface there, the plastic, to help meld in the mesh and wherever you need to meld in. a knife to do any little cutting or stuff you might have. You might need to nip off the metal when it sticks out. I have a little cutter there to help cut the metal. When you heat it in the plastic, sometimes a little piece might stick up. You could use this nipples to cut it. And this is the gun that they use to heat up the metal pieces to put inside of there. The trigger there to activate the heat. This heats very fast, so when you hold on the trigger within no time, when you put the parts inside here, the ends here will heat up and see the metal surface. You just press it into the surface and let it go. So once it buries inside of the surface, you pull it out. You're not going through and through. That's enough to bury inside the plastic to make extra strength, and you're good to go with that here. Yeah, so my bumper on the vehicle itself, not the bumper, the grill have a crack on it, and I want us to get one of these for the longest while to do some repairs. So I decided to buy one as I was ordering something. I was ordering for something for my fridge, for the ice maker. You can check out that video. That video is supposed to be before this one anyway. So I decided to take this on one time, so everything will come around the same time. We have a few more stuff coming in to make some more videos on, so we will have a influx of videos piling out coming on. One of the other channels got hacked and lost, so plenty videos was lost in that aspect. So I lost almost 1,000 videos, I believe, and when it come to Google, there's no way basically to contact people. So it was very difficult to get in contact with somebody, and eventually they just deleted the channel. So that was basically a total loss there. So this new channel is activated and going again. Trying to see if I could fit all these things inside here. Don't know. I want to see how much things could fit inside here at the same time. It kind of fit a little bit. Let's see if it could lock. Yeah, kind of lock. So it's just to put things a little bit more better in place, because you don't want these plastic clips and things to break. Little foam area. Nice case to hold it, but I might put all these things in because I might even need to use all these things here too much. And I wouldn't need all these, just to put in. I think it might double up. Just to keep the major ones you're going to use. Put some of them inside these holes and thing here. Fit them in nice and easy. I just keep this black one in here. This is PP, I believe. Could use that one. Keep the sheets. Here we have some to the side here already. And let's cut the sandpaper a little smaller and keep some inside the case to keep everything close and neat. Right, so that's it for the plastic welder. TS4 out.